boards are just days away, for some barely few hours away, and there's the CBSE that's now gone ahead and announced 20 marks of the board paper will be for HOTS here. That's HOTS. What's it all about and why are students losing sleep over it? Kashish finds out.
Have you tried any of the sample papers that they have given on the? If you take your entire, आपकी अभी preparation कैसी हुई है? Okay. अच्छा, and आपको ये लगता है कि civics में कम marks आए हैं?
Helplines ringing off the hook is a common sight with the board exams just around the corner. But this time there's a difference. More than half the calls this year are from parents and students who all have the same question.
And what do you think is HOTS?
Counsellors admit that CBSE's attempt to move away from rote learning has only increased the pressure on students.
The morale of the child has really gone down and the element of fear has really risen now, and perhaps they feel demotivated because they've already assumed, they tell it to me on the phone, man, the paper is going to be very tough, we know that, because ab HOTS ki baat ho rahi hai.
Like Vidur, who is busy preparing for the first board exam of his life. But he does not really understand what HOTS means.
A few of my friends have even called me up and told me, like, what's this HOTS thing? We've been, hearing about it a lot. So they're getting really worried about it. So they don't know what to do.
In less than 2 days, some of the nearly 4 lakh students will be appearing in this very classroom, appearing for their first board exam paper. Now, a section of that paper will be based on HOTS, or the high order thinking skills, which teachers say is nothing new and most definitely nothing to panic about.
There's nothing outside the textbook or the syllabus or the curriculum which is going to be tested.
And here's how HOTS works.
Looking at a question which allows them to maybe link up, different portions of a chapter, allows them to understand what the whole theme is about, would be a higher order question that would bring together the various aspects. So it's really about understanding, the topic as such. It's nothing outside it.
As the pressure is now at its peak, it may help students to remember that HOTS is nothing more than old wine in a new bottle. In New Delhi with camera person Abhinandan, Kashish for India.